Hi, today we are going to talk about fertile period. 15% of the females or couples they become infertile at the end of 1 year. What is infertility? If you are doing regular sex without any contraception for 1 year, at the end of 1 year, one couple not becoming pregnant, they are infertile couple. The ratio is 15%. 15 couples they will not become pregnant at the end of 1 year. So often they ask one question: how they should do sex to become pregnant? The research says you have to do regular sex, daily sex or alternative day sex. If you do sex more than 4 times per week, the chance of pregnancy is 83%. If you are doing once per week, the chance of pregnancy is 17%. It is very less. So do sex more. Can we do sex in and around 15th? It's a wrong idea. Because you practice this way, many males they will become very anxious, tensed up, they will not get erection and they end up in trouble. The penis will not cooperate. This is a well-known fact. This is the night syndrome. This is the night syndrome. You have to, doctor says, today is the ovulation day, I have given injection, so you should do sex today. Then all the people they try to do sex on the particular day because they want to have a pregnancy. But unfortunately, males they don't have erection. Why it happens? Actually, the penis is not in the cortex control. Actually, we can order our fingers, but we cannot order our heart and penis. They are not in our control, in our cortical control. They are controlled by an emotional fibers away from the cortical fibers. If one is having fear or anger, the heartbeat becomes increased. Similarly, a male is aroused, then he gets erection. He is fearful, he is angry, he is having other feelings, negative feelings, he will not have erection. So, if we give pressure, today you should do sex, he will not have an erection. So, never give any pressure to the male partner. Do sex regularly. Other reasons for this: young women they can release 2 to 3 eggs per month. First egg may be 15th, second egg may be on 20th, third egg may be on 24th. If they concentrate only on 15th, they miss other 2 eggs. So don't do the mistake. Do sex regularly. That will give more number of pregnancies. They easy to get pregnant. So don't have 15th or the ovulatory day and try to do sex on those days. This is the night syndrome problem. Thank you.